Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have iPhone, sometimes we are forgetting the password of your iPhone and you are totally stuck. So how to unlock your iPhone using iSunshare platform? Using the software, you can very easily unlock your iPhone no matter which types of iPhone you have. You can unlock all types of locks without providing any password. What is the process? Let's start. So first of all, just open any types of browser or Windows laptop or Mac laptop. You can apply the same process. Open the browser, put it this URL. I already added this URL in video description. So look at this here, iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius. Latest iOS 27 is also supportable no matter which iPhone you have. And powerful iOS passcode unlocker to unlock iPhone, iPad, iPod quickly. 3 devices supportable. Unlock unavailable iPhone, iPad instantly. If you forget your password, delete Apple ID from iPhone without password. Remove mobile device management restriction as well. Remove iTunes backup encrypted without password. View all save password on your iPhone and iPad as well. Compatibility for iOS, almost all iOS including 27 as well. So the software available for Windows and Mac. Currently I have in Mac laptop. If you won't get the subscription for the lifetime perspective, you need to just pay $20 and get lifetime subscription if you have Apple product. So that would be really nice. If you want buy, you can click here and buy. I just simply click here, free download, download. I just simply open here. Download is completed. I just simply open here. After that, here I click twice the software and just simply follow the instruction. Install, provide here the password. Wait couple of seconds to complete this process, installation process. So installation is completed. I just simply close. After installation is completed, I just simply click here my app store and application is showing here. If I click here, so application is open here. After that, this is the framework of this application. So look at this here, unlock lock screen, remove screen time password, iOS password manager, remove Apple ID, remove MDM and iTunes backup encrypted as well. So this is the framework we are receiving here. Now question come, how to remove your iPhone password? Then make sure your device is connected on USB. So first of all, I just simply connect here my iPhone, and now this iPhone connected on my MacBook here. So like this, I connected here. So connect your iPhone to the computer using the cable. Afterward, we need to put your iPhone as a recovery mode here. So volume up and volume down and power button continuously we are pressing through in one. So like this, up and down, and just simply press your long press power button. So your iPhone is automatically going to the recovery mode. Afterward, I just simply click here the next and loading the device. So afterward, here device type, the device are showing here iPhone 12, the latest framework version. We need to download this one framework package. So I just simply download here. The size of 7.35 GB. So you need to spend here around 5 to 10 minutes to download entire framework package. Afterwards, the firmware verifying what exactly in this framework, all types of combination they are making in this firmware. Using those matches, they can remove very easily the password. Afterward, verify success and unlock. Note your iPhone will be updated at least latest iOS version. Here other size is my iPhone. I just simply verifying success and unlock. So my iPhone is also verifying, and look at this here, remove screen passcode successfully. So afterwards, if I click here done, so my iPhone is restart, password is automatically gone. Afterward, I'm eligible to access my iPhone. It's very easy to unlock your iPhone using iSunshare software. I already added the software link in video description. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.